Os ydych yn rhan o'r diwydiant adeiladu, rhaid i chi wybod am rai newidiadau pwysig i'r gyfraith. Ar y 1af o Hydref 2020, bydd Llywodraeth Cymru yn cyflwyno deddfwriaeth newydd. Bydd yn cysylltiedig ag unrhyw waith adeiladu sy'n galw am gysylltu â'r system garffosiaeth gyhoeddus yn rhanbarth gweithredu Dŵr Cymru. Ar y dyddiad hwnnw, bydd proses fabwysiadu a chysylltu newydd, sef safonau gweinidogion Cymru, yn dod i rym. Mae hynny yn golygu bydd pob carffos, draen cangen a gorsef bwmpio fydd yn gysylltu â'r system garffosiaeth gyhoeddus yn gorfod cydymffurfio â rai safonau adeiladu. Dyma safonau gweinidogion Cymru ar gyfer Carthffosydd budur a'r draeniau cangen a Carthffosydd yw Mabwysiadu 7 ar gyfer pob ased carthffosydd arall. Rhan bwysig o'r ddeddfwriaeth yw'r ffaith na fydd modd gwneud unrhyw waith adeiladu ar garthffosydd newydd i'w cysylltu â'r system garthffosydd gyhoeddus heb cytundeb mabwysiadu gan Dŵr Cymru.
This is a very important change that will have long-term benefits for both our customers and the environment. The new legislation will standardise sewer construction and adoption across our region, so over time it will improve the reliability and the performance of the public sewage system. Ensuring that sewers are constructed to a high standard so that Welsh Water will adopt them will help to avoid future problems, such as sewer flooding of homes and pollution of streams and rivers.
Cyflwyno'r ddeddfwriaeth newydd, safonau gweinidogion Cymru, ar ôl trosglwyddo carthffosydd prifat i Dŵr Cymru ar y 1af o Hydref 2011, yw'r cam nesaf i sicrhau perchnogaeth glir o'r system garthffosiaeth. Bydd y newidiadau hyn lles ein gwsmeriaid, gan dywelu meddyliau perchnogion tai a phobl fusnes o wybod bydd Dŵr Cymru yn delio ag unrhyw broblemau gyda carthffosydd a draeniau cangen hyn.
The new construction standards will mean that all new gravity foul sewers that connect to the public sewerage system will need to be constructed to agreed specifications.
Cyhoeddwyd safonau gweinidogion Cymru o dan amodau adran 42 Deddf Rheoli Llifogydd a Dŵr 2010. Bydd cysylltu pob carthffos, budur neu dŵr arwyneb yn amodol ar wneud cytundeb mabwysiadu gyda Dŵr Cymru cyn dechrau unrhyw waith.
From the 1st of October 2012, there'll be several steps that builders and contractors must follow. Before starting work, you must enter into an adoption agreement with Welsh Water. The only exception to this rule is if your connection only involves a drain being constructed within your own property boundary, where you do not have to comply with this requirement. So some customers will have to enter into adoption agreements with us for the first time, whereas larger developers will have to change their policies and procedures.
Elfen allweddol o'r gyfraith newydd yw bod rhaid gwneud cytundeb mabwysiadu cyn dechrau adeiladu neu gysylltu carthffosydd a draeniau cangen i rhwydwaith carthffosydd gyhoeddus. Bydd methu gwneud hyn yn drosedd.
The first step for developers is to contact Welsh Water very early in the process. We'll need to see your plans and ensure they meet the new standards before we issue an adoption agreement. Work can then go ahead. We'll inspect the work as it proceeds, and then, if all the requirements have been met, we'll adopt the sewer. As part of the adoption agreement, there will be a requirement for a defects period. During this period, there will be obligations on the developer to rectify or pay for any defects.
The new legislation will have long-term benefits, both for the sewerage network system and the environment in our region, and the new standards must be followed in all cases. In the run-up to the switchover to the new standards, we'll be making a lot of information available to all our customers who have an involvement in the construction industry. You can find out more on Welsh Water's website.
Bydd safonau gweinidogion Cymru yn gymwys o 1af o Hydref 2020. Os yn bwriadu adeiladu datblygiad newydd, cysylltwch â Dŵr Cymru cyn gynted a phosibl.